Hello, social studies scholars. Mrs. Olson here. Today's short video lesson is titled Native American Agriculture and Foods. We're going to begin with our learning target, which reads that you will be able to summarize information learned about Native American agriculture and foods. So we're going to be building upon the brief history or the overview of Native American history, Native American homes, and now we are going to focus on Native American agriculture and foods. So, let's review what it means to summarize by using this infographic that I have posted here. Okay, so when you summarize information, you take what you have learned and read and you make it shorter. You do this by writing in your own words and you only take the main ideas, okay? So, reading the information, when you get to your assignment, you are going to pull out the big ideas, write in your own words, and you want to make it shorter than what was originally written. So, you're going to sum it up. All right, let's continue on the page. So the reading document is printed or posted here in both a Word document and a PDF. So I have the reading document already pulled up and I'd like to go over it with you. It's a one-page document, as you can see here, with 2 paragraphs of text at the top, and on the bottom half you will see that there is a table of information. So let's go over this and kind of do some pre-reading strategies together. So the top with the first 2 paragraphs is titled Native American Agriculture. So in this first paragraph, you are going to learn that Native Americans used 3 different kinds of crops and planted them together. And they called these altogether the 3 sisters. So the 3 sisters were corn, beans, and squash. And the rest of the paragraph is going to explain why the 3 sisters were planted together and how they complemented each other. The second paragraph is going to explain how important the 3 sisters were to the Native American tribes. Okay, now scrolling down to the second half of the document is a table. Anytime you look at a table, you always want to read the title so you get an idea of what it is going to teach you, okay? And this one is titled Foods of American Indian Cultures. Next, you want to see what is in as far as categories. What categories is the table going to cover? So in this column, we can see that it is titled American Indian Groups. So you should recognize these from the different maps that we have looked at about American Indian tribes. The second column is method. So how exactly, what methods were these tribes using to get their food? And then the third column says types of food. So what types of food were they getting and eating? And then the fourth column is titled observations. So over time, historians and scientists have learned about the different Native American groups and the methods and types of food they ate. And so these are different details that are specific to the different groups and their foods, okay? So you want to read every single line and column and row within the table to learn the specific details related to American Indian groups and how they got their food. Okay. So let's click next to your assignment so that you're going to understand what it is that you will be doing. And The first question is about summarizing. So remember our infographic from the previous page, and the directions say that you will summarize three important points from the reading and the chart, and you want to use evidence. You want to use specific details from the document to help you summarize the big three important points from Native American agriculture and foods, okay? Now, the second question is going to put the reading document, and the video together. So I'm going to back up one more time. Bear with me. So on the lesson page, beneath the reading document, you're going to see a link for a video. So you're going to watch this short video, and then you are going to make connections between what you read and learned about in the Native American Agriculture and Foods document with what you see in modern day and Native American foods. So hopefully you recognize some different foods that you learned about here and see how they are used in modern day. And that's what the second question is going to be about. I want you to tell me what kind of connections you make between history and how those foods are used today. All right, guys, I hope those directions help you to understand what it is that you are doing and learning about for this lesson. Have a great day. Bye.